Happy New Year everyone, and welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I want to introduce you one of the new gadgets that I have in my kitchen. But first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. It's time for me to say goodbye to this beloved rolling pin with these kind of rings. I really love it because it has helped me to make so many cookies over the years. And one thing that I didn't love about using this kind of rolling pin is that the rings were not appropriate for the size, so they always were a little bit loose, and sometimes when I was rolling the dough they came out, and I really didn't like that. And I'm very happy that I found a new one that is amazing. This is my new rolling pin. Yes, thank you 2024 for bringing a new rolling pin to my kitchen. I really like it, and it's very thin and nice, and has some engraving of some measurements here, inches, and over here you have centimeters for the ones that use the metric system. It is very handy, and also it comes with a little bag with 5 different rings, and they fit perfectly into the rolling pin. And one thing that I love is that they have engraved the thickness of each ring. This is 1/2 inch, these are 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch, 1/8. These are perfect when you're going to do pie crust, and this is very thin, and this is 1/8 of an inch. You are able to use these different rings to make different thickness of cookie dough, and I'm gonna show you how they fit perfectly. And they are a little snug, but this is better, so the ring stays put all the time. So this is how it looks, and change them depending on how big you're going to need your cookie dough to be. And I am going to show you how I roll out the dough using this beautiful rolling pin, and I really like it that it's very soft and it is made of thick wood. So let's make some cookies.